Because our different market segment, the opportunity cycle is very different, and that's very specific to our business, where some segments are very transactional, and some growth, like our growth market, it can take up to like 2-3 years to close opportunities. So to set KPIs, it's very different, because now you have to have different, set of reports and KPIs that you're measuring for, the transactional business, and you have to separate that totally for your growth market. So yes, within sugar, I feel like it makes it very easy to have different view based on who is logged in. We use that a lot. So based on who has logged in, and that takes the information is taken from the user module. So you can feed in the information like what market segment they belong to, or what team they belong to. And then you can set different views on the record view. So now we're capturing different kind of data based on who is logged in. And for example, our growth market side, when they put in an opportunity, they don't see what the other people see. What they see is a 3-year rolling, like they need to put a SOP date, which is start of the production. They need to put in that date, and they need to put in the first year's value. And then it prompts them to put in the second year's date and second year value, third year date and third year value. And then when we do our QBRs, we actually build reports based on that. And so they are very separate from the rest of the team. So yeah, you can configure it pretty much how you want it.